Hey, and welcome back to Willis Talk. We better be quiet. This one might spook. He's just relaxing, enjoying in his classic car. Let's not disturb. Let's keep it a little quiet. But check out this beauty. Do kind of expect to see our Munster, because 1313 Mockingbird Lane had something similar and just as beautiful. But unlike Hollywood, hours are poured into these by a loving hand and an interested heart. Look at that shiny body. And that engine. They definitely don't build engines like this no more. Let's take a gentle look inside at the upholstery. Look at that, beautiful V8 markings, everything. Well, until next time, this is Willis signing off. Stay tuned for more beautiful vehicles.